Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation demonstration for Dazuma's floral leaf wooden ceiling light. For your safety and the safety of others, please make sure the power to the installation area is completely turned off before installing the product. The product package includes 1 expansion screw pack, expansion screws, and ground wire, 3 bracket light systems, 1 product canopy. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws on the product canopy that secure the mounting plate. Step 2. Take out the mounting plate inside the product canopy. Step 3. Tighten and secure the power wire brackets on the 3 bracket light systems. Each bracket light system has 2 power wires and power wire brackets. Then remove the 2 retaining rings from these power wire brackets and store them properly. Next, we will install the 3 bracket light systems onto the product canopy. Each bracket light system has 2 power wire openings, which should be aligned with and installed into these 3 sets of holes on the product canopy. Step 4. Install the first bracket light system onto the product canopy. Align it with the corresponding holes. First thread the power wires through the holes and then connect the metal tubes into place. Step 5. Thread the yellow ground wire through 1 power wire opening. We recommend choosing the end closer to the power wire box inside the canopy. Step 6. Reinstall 2 sets of the 6 retaining rings removed in Step 3. Step 7. Install the second bracket light system onto the product canopy. Please install it according to our demonstration. Step 8. Reinstall 2 sets of the 6 retaining rings removed in Step 3. Step 9. Install the 3rd bracket light system onto the product canopy. For the specific steps, please refer to the demonstration shown in the video. Step 10. Reinstall the final 2 sets of the 6 retaining rings removed in Step 3. Step 11. Bind together the 6 red power wires from the 3 bracket light systems. Twist the exposed wire strands at the ends together, then connect them to 1 push-in wire connector prepared by yourself. Finally, connect the red power wire from the canopy power box to the other end of the same push-in wire connector. Step 12. Bind together the 6 black power wires from the 3 bracket light systems. Twist the exposed wire strands at the ends together, then connect them to 1 push-in wire connector prepared by yourself. Finally, Connect the black power wire from the canopy power box to the other end of the same push-in wire connector. Step 13. Place the mounting plate at your desired installation position. Then mark the drilling points and drill the holes with an electric drill. Step 14. Insert the screw anchors into the holes. You may use expansion screws for the installation. Step 15. Align the mounting plate with the holes and screw anchors. Then place it in position. Use an electric drill to install the 4 fixing screws into the holes. Step 16. Connect the neutral wire, live wire, and ground wire from the power box on the canopy to your push-in wire connectors. Connect the product's blue power wire to your white neutral wire, the product's brown wire to your black live wire, and the product's yellow ground wire to your copper-colored ground wire. Step 17. Place the product canopy against the ceiling. Tuck the power wires neatly into the canopy and the electrical box. Then reinstall the 4 screws removed in Step 1 to secure the canopy to the mounting plate. Installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.